Hi guys, I'm in my caravan and I'm in my room. So sorry for the head right noise. It's just my mum in her room. Head right in her head. What? Head right in her hair. So yeah. So I'll be doing some funny sound effects. Well, I don't know if they're gonna be funny, but I just got this app, this video editing app. So let's get onto this. I'm gonna shoot my bow. And now, it's my birthday. It's my birthday, isn't it? Yeah, what do you say?
Happy birthday!
Oh, thank you. Hi guys, as you can see I just got changed. And now on to the next sound effect. What's that? It's a fly. There we go, it's dead. Yes, I killed the fly.